What's up, YouTube? It's your boy GA, my beautiful girlfriend Princess.
Hi.
It's our day off together. It's gonna be pretty exciting. We're heading over to Peacock Subaru to get a little cosmetic surprise for the RS and hang out with a good friend. So let's ride along over there together.
Hi.
Yeah. Alright, so coming from a doctor's appointment, I got a fan inside that likes my RS, and I usually give him a good little takeoff when I head out. So we're gonna see if we can catch that on camera real quick. First thing you do in a non-turbocharged car is you turn off the air conditioning. It's like a boost controller, instant boost. That's how we do it around here.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again.
Stopping at the McDonald's in Ghettoville, middle of OBT. McDonald's, McGhetto. Got the goods. What you got there? Hazelnut coffee. Give me a smile. Hazelnut coffee. Alright, now you gotta drive.
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
It's exciting. He's gonna get a ass lift, I guess you could say.
An ass replacement.
Ass replacement. Kind of. It's not really the bumper though. It's just the trunk and the wing. So it's kind of like butt dimples at the top, I guess.
He's getting some new dermals.
Yeah, he's gonna get a little.
He's gonna get some back dermals.
He's gonna get some twerking muscles.
I can't believe you're gonna hurt my baby. After all the things we've been through.
There's service. Service doors.
Over here.
Ooh. Look at all the shit we got going on in here. Oh, I think she might see us. Hey, I'm looking for Matea. Matea. Oh, is that Eric too?
Is that Eric from the Snapchat?
Hey, there's this white GC8 outside. Do you know who owns it? Hey, that's what's up. Cool, man. It's so clean out here. I have not.
Email that picture.
You want me to give me a tour?
Yes.
Squad
See, I can get you
to Peacock Subaru.
Borrow some tools.
They're in my trunk.
Oh, you have tools?
Fuck yeah, man.
Perfect.
And come here unprepared. We are ready. Hey, it's a WRX with an STI wing. It's a sin.
Yeah, we see a lot of that.
Yeah.
Okay. You're about to have an STI wing on your RS.
Yeah, that is true. But in those models, like they all came on the WRXs, so you know the WRX and STI really weren't separate yet, right?
Not really.
Correct.
What you can do, actually, is drive your car to where my RS is.
Yeah, I parked right behind you.
Oh, you already did?
Yeah, man.
You guys are so good at this.
Yeah, man. We're ready, man. We are set.
I'm actually super excited
Yeah.
seeing this car with the RS wing back on it.
Yeah.
It's gonna look good.
Yes,
I'm not
it
super
is.
excited about you seeing the STI wing on it, but it's okay. No, why? It's a hater blocker. You know what? When you're driving,
Yeah.
you'll look in your rear view and there'll be somebody there and you can't see them.
Wait, say that. Say that one more time. You said it's a hater
It's a
blocker?
hater blocker.
Because you look in your rear view mirror and you don't see them?
Exactly.
That's what's up.
Like if they're at a certain spot behind you, you can't see the person in the car at all.
That's what's up.
This shit was on Snapchat last night. It would be a sledgehammer. Yeah. It was. Now the trunk doesn't go there. This clip, it gets pushed in right here, right?
About to swap trunks right now. Got it loose. Loose as a goose, don't get me started. 2 shots of Patron. Get all this out for me real quick.
What's up, guys?
That's my boy Aaron.
What's up, bro? Here to part out this car like I always do.
Part out. No, the shade's gone.
This car's getting parted out by me.
Hell
That
no.
car, those 2 cars already got parted out by me. The red Impreza L that I drive every day, that's getting parted out.
So is this gonna be a race who can take off the trunk the fastest? I'm just trying to undo a clip. Matea's like halfway there. Eric, back at it again with the skills.
Relax.
Up and over. Oh. No more. Over into the grass on these nice pine little bushes. Actually, we'll turn it
Or,
around.
you know, I could just steal it because I'm Eric at the end of the day.
Shit.
No, Eric.
Just be like, down here, bros.
Turn that way. There we go. There we go.
Goodbye, trunk.
Yeah, you must flip flop it back on.
Lost no flippy
I
floppy.
did.
Back at it again with the flip flop. No. Mean.
I did shave today. I had to, you know, I had to legit for some people. But damn, the glow up is real though.
Hey.
Thank you, son, for that.
That's one thing I thought. I was like, I bet we're gonna be doing this in the.
This is why you don't want to have an RS, because this part right here, the worst part you can ever think of. That's why you guys talking about. Yo, I was gonna say just take a wire cutter,
Oh no.
cut it right here, and just slice it again.
This isn't Dave's farm.
I have a whole harness in that car still.
We lit out here.
Oh, you know what wiring? You know what I do need? Oh no.
You wanna look at it? Come on. Before I go.
Is that a waiter, Eric? Wait. Hold up. Skirt! Where are you going? To go look at something? You guys are trading trunks.
Oh, you drank all the coffee.
Yeah, I needed it.
Do
you have a waiter?
You got water now.
Yeah.
I need the coffee. Don't listen to him.
But if Garrett wants to,
I just don't want you to. Ooh, Eric.
I let the RS be that.
So much concentration.
Oh no. I found some version of the STI seeds for like $450 last night. Shit. And I was like, guys, they have a lot.
See you later.
All these people do is smoke cigarettes and put them out of the fucking.
Peace out, son. Ooh. Ready?
Yep.
Dab one time. Oh.
Bring it right over to your car?
Yeah, I might as well.
Hey,
Uh-oh. Here we go. Look at this. We finna get it. We finna get it. Ooh, ooh. Alright, so...
Stabilize here.
Okay. Looks like the baby's getting a new diaper.
Yeah. Over your side a little bit.
Over towards me?
Yeah. Wait, there we go.
Got it, got it.
Pull it away from the arm a little second, and then put the bolt through the arm so you can line it up with the hole on the trunk.
Look at him with all his information.
Yeah.
Hey, you're pretty smart.
I try. I was homeschooling.
Oh my god. Back it again with the homeschool.
It's probably gonna be a joke in every video.
See this? Teamwork makes the dream work. Dave, you're gonna be driving home and you're gonna realize how much of a hater blocker this is.
Yeah, I know. I had a 22B rep wing for a little bit, and it was like I looked behind me and was like, oh man.
I can't see my haters.
I
I can't see my haters.
Alright, we can do this on this.
Back at it again with the Pine Hills Classic. Wiggle, wiggle.
No, I just realized something.
God gave us more shade. Yeah, I was thinking about that too.
Do you want a spare key? You want me to cut a spare key? Oh no, I don't.
I can,
My brother's a
my
locksmith.
brother's a locksmith.
Okay.
I can rekey it.
Yeah, my
I mean,
brother
do those
Joey's
just
a
pop out?
locksmith, you know, in case y'all need that hookup.
I'm pretty sure they do. I don't. Oh yeah. Yep, they do. Not lining up.
Yeah, I'll loosen it with you. That's what I do. Just don't tighten them all the way so that you can.
Right.
Is that a Ford? Fuck out of here.
No.
You have executive bathroom?
Mattea over here, calling somebody out on their shit. Literally, their shit.
Oh.
This guy over here, back at it again with the blue glasses.
Oh,
There he
yeah.
is. Goodbye, young man. Take that Ford shit on somewhere else.
That's pretty good.
That's a good show.
That's a good show.
I think it goes on his face. Close. I thought the one goes on like this. Am I wrong?
Oh, I think it does. I think you're right on the money there. Done.
Yeah, we're good.
My head to hold this up. My head is stronger.
Subaru gang, or die. How do we install trunks? We use our heads, literally, as support beams. Who's gonna get the trunk on first?
I think it's right.
Ugh, I think we got a winner. She's got it. She's got it. Look at that muscle. Ooh, work it. Look at it.
It's like
Work it, girl.
quivering, dude.
Work it. Oh no! She dropped it.
Push it through.
Let me see them muscles, girl. Ooh, ooh, work it.
Yeah, boy.
Woohoo!
Work it.
Look at that good old Subaru lady muscle.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I got big muscles.
She does. You see that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yes.
Hey, that's pretty good.
That's a good show. Alright. I'm just gonna make sure we close this top of that.
We should get body cams, babe.
Damn.
Look at that, that's pretty spot on.
Damn, son.
Because I've wanted this wing since you bought it out of the box.
So we're gonna see how Bay's wing looks on his bay. Bay number 2, bay number 1. It's recording, so you know. It's our car. Look how pretty he is.
Yeah, right now I just have it on.
First time I ever rode in this beautiful car. And it had that wing, but now it's gonna have this one.
Even when it was South Orlando.
Oh man.
This is the relationship maker right here.
From here when it was South Orlando.
They've done a lot of.
And
The shop is.
ton to ton ton.
Yeah, I walked in there. I was like, this place is clean as hell.
Ton to ton ton.
Good stuff everywhere.
Excuse me, young man. I need you to shut this trunk.
Too much junk in your trunk.
Ooh! Taya said you got a fatty.
Yeah.
Damn, son. Goodbye, little
That paint is
wing.
perfect. I don't know
Hello,
why.
hater blocker.
'Cause it was repainted. I was
Finna
worried
be
like it was
snagging all the
gonna be
bitches with this hater blocker. Ooh.
I'm sad.
I'm excited. Yes. I love I have to touch my screen every time I want it to refocus. Chris has that new camera with the autofocus on it, or the continuous autofocus.
You need an Osmo too.
Yes. I need a lot of things.
Taking pictures.
No, I'm just videoing. Heck yeah. High five. High five. Heck yeah.
This is actually like the paint's actually like spot on. Like I mean it's a little different.
Yours is just a little shinier than his.
You're painting it though, right?
Yeah, eventually. All right. So we got the wings changed over. Got my big wing. I got the spats. I'm gonna install a little later on. Everything's all out. Big shout out to Mateo over here at Peacock Subaru.
Yeah.
High five. Give him my my car a little ass lift. I think we called it an ass dimple in the car.
Ass dimples. I call them ass dermals.
Ass dermals. Just that little indentation above your, or like a little below your back, but above your butt.
That makes sense.
Well, it reminds me of piercings. You're gonna exchange one piercing for a new one. We're gonna get the upgrade.
Exactly.
I actually really like
Oh, look how good it looks. You know how happy I am right now? Very
I'm
happy.
excited too.
Heck yeah, man. Swap this bad boy out real quick. I'm gonna pop off this grill real quick and switch out for a version 6 JDM grill. It's exciting. Version 6 JDM STI grill. Right? Same color paint with the pink badge. Got the grill switched out. The pink emblem. And actually kind of matches too because I got the pink strut bar on there too.
True.
That's what's up.
JDM, yo.
Heck yeah, man. Appreciate everything.
Keep my car is going in your car.
Definitely. There's a lot more in your car, this car, than there was. And I like it.